Let's take a closer look at this electric motor and its draw-style low-voltage control box. First, let's focus on the air switch, which is currently in the parking position. If we rotate it 90 degrees, it will be in the power off position. Now moving to the right side, we can see two buttons, a start button and a stop button. There are also two indicators, with the red one indicating that the motor is running and the green one representing the power supply. This position houses the motor protector, which is responsible for safeguarding against overload and short phase imbalance, among other protections. Now, let's shift our attention to the switch on the right. This is a toggle switch, and its middle position is for stopping. When it is toggled to the right, it controls the original position, with the middle being the stop position and the back controlling the mirror. Now let's take a look inside. This section of the control box contains the contactor, which is a type of electrical switch. On the left side, there is an air switch, the same one we turned on earlier. Moving to the left, we can see the current transformers, which are responsible for measuring the electrical parameters of the air duct. Below them, there is a flashover relay and a time relay. These two components form the secondary circuit, which plays a role in controlling the motor. The control switch on the right, also known as the decorating switch, is designed to protect against bribery and protect my son. On the right side, we have the lower part of the drawer. When it appears, it signifies a donation. Below it, there are several circuit pies with numerous wire connections. This child is appearing in court to bribe you.